Okay, so let's try solving this equation for bm. And first we can just kind of expand both sides. So let's just do the left side first. So we can just write b squared. And to simplify this, we can just do the b squared plus the b plus 4m squared. Since for, you know, a b squared equals 2a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. And we just apply the same thing over here. So we got b squared, and then we have b times 2m times 2, so that would be 4bm, and then we have 2m squared, so that would be 4m squared. And we can simplify this a little bit more by just like multiplying b squared to everything, just distributing it a little bit. So that would be e to the power of 4 plus 4 b to the power of 3m plus 4b squared times m squared. Okay, like this. And now we can just simplify this right-hand side. And the right-hand side is pretty easy to simplify if you have the rule memorized. And all you have to do is, I'll write it down over here. So you have a plus b to the power of 4. All you have to do is a to the power of 4 plus 4a squared times b plus 6a squared times b squared plus 4a times b to the power of 3 plus plus b to the power of 4. Okay, okay. And now we have to just apply that to this. So if we write everything out, we can get okay, this is what we get. And now we can try to set both sides. Now we can try to subtract this from this. Like if we move this whole thing over here, just to see what we can like simplify. Okay, so just write this. Minus this one. This is going to equal to 0. So we can already see that here we can remove this. We can remove this. B squared. Okay. So I think we would end up there. Yeah, because we have to take this part and subtract it by this. Because this multiplication side, you're supposed to distribute it to everything. So this would be negative b4, this would be negative 4 times b to the power of 3m, negative 6 times b to the power of 2 times m to the power of 2, and so on, everything combined. And so we just subtract these two, and then we can just write this as a negative and this as a negative. Okay. Okay, so now let's just divide everything by m squared, because if we do that, we'll see that we got a quadratic equation in B. So let's rewrite it. 2 squared with m squared. And we can just use a quadratic formula on this. So let me just write the quadratic formula here. It's gonna be squared. Okay, so right here, e equals to negative 4m. This is going to be 2 times 2, so 4. Try 2 times 2 for now. And if you simplify this, it make to okay, so here I just did 2 times 2 is 4. I did 4 times 4, 16, and m times m, which is m squared. This times 4 times a times c. This is 4 times 2 is 8, and then over here I subtracted these two, because you can subtract it if the power is the same. So that's why here is 8m squared. And after that, we can take some out of this square, which is, we can take out 2, and we can take out m, because if you do square root of m squared, you get m, and if you do square root of, here, let me write it out. This equal to 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, and times and times. So if you write it out like this, it's easy to understand. Whichever you have 2 of, you can bring outside. So here we have 2 m's, so we can just cross it out and write m outside over here. And here we have 2 2's, so we can cross it out and bring 2 over here. And we still have this 2, so we have to keep this. So if we rewrite that, we would get negative 4m plus minus 2m to square root of 2 and over 4. And then that would equal, I'm going to leave some space on the bottom for the answer, but that would equal, we can do cross out all of 2, divide everything by 2. So this is gone, this is by 2, and 2. So you get negative 2m plus 2 and times square root 2 over 2. So now we can finally write that Pm equals to negative 2m plus equal to plus minus m times square root 2 over 2. And you can also just take out the m on the side. If you want to write it like this. M times Some people do dot, so it's easier to understand. I just wrote x. This is a means multiplication. Minus 2. And x is sensitive. And ta-da! That's it. Let's move the camera over here so you can see it more clearly. This is what I got. Hopefully you found this helpful and hopefully you got this correct. But yeah, thanks for watching.